Hello friends, I welcome all of you to your own YouTube channel, World of Trade and Finance. Friends, today we'll talk about what is a credit score. You must have heard a lot of terms like CIBIL, CRIF, Experian, Equifax, TransUnion, etc. etc. So friends, in this video I will try to explain that what are these terms and how is this linked to your credit score. So friends, whenever you apply for a loan in any bank or an NBFC, the bank might ask for a number of documents like your KYC documents like the Aadhaar card and PAN card, your salary slip, bank statement, address proof, etc. But there's one very important thing that banks and NBFCs check. That is your credit history. Yes, friends, what banks want to understand is whether you can finance your loan or your credit card. They want to know that if you have taken a loan in the past or you have taken a credit card in the past, then how have you treated that loan or credit card? That is, if you have taken a loan, have you made the payments timely and paid off the loan on time? If you have taken a credit card, then have you used it wisely and made timely payments? So friends, let's try to understand that how this credit score data is gathered. So the Reserve Bank of India or India's central bank RBI has issued a guideline to all the banks and NBFCs that they need to submit all credit data of individuals to the credit bureau. So for example, if you have applied for a let's say a personal loan to any bank, then the bank needs to submit that data to the credit bureau within 30 to 45 days of the date of application. The application, the data that they submit would contain details like the loan amount, the loan tenure, interest rate, etc. And they will keep repeating that. They will keep submitting that data every month till that loan is closed. The data will also contain if you have made any default payments, any delayed payments, and it will continue till the loan is closed or paid off. Similarly, if you apply for a credit card in let's say another bank, then that bank also needs to submit the credit card details to the credit bureau. Those details will contain the credit card value, the credit limit, the outstanding amount, minimum due amount, any delays or defaults that have been done in that credit card. So friends, this data serves as a base for your future loan needs. So if you apply for a loan in the bank, that bank takes your PAN number and based on your PAN number gets your latest credit score from the credit bureaus, and based on that credit score it decides whether your loan should be approved or not. So this means that if you have a good credit score, then the chances of your loan getting approved is high. On the other hand, if you have a bad credit score, then the chances of your loan getting rejected is also high. So friends, let's now get into the mathematics of credit score. Credit score is a three-digit score that ranges from 300 to 900. The closer your score is to 900, the better is your score and the higher of the chances of getting your loan or credit card. So if you need to understand the range of the credit score, then 300 to 550 is considered very poor, 550 to 650 is considered as poor, 650 to 700 is considered fair, a credit score from 700 to 750 is considered good, and a score from 750 to 900 is considered excellent. You should always try to maintain your credit score above 750 so that you don't face any challenges in any credit requirements, or in the worst case scenario at least try to maintain a credit score of 700 and above. So for example, if your credit score is 834, it would come under excellent category, and if your credit score is let's say 730, it would come under good category. So friends, now let's try to further understand the credit bureaus. If you look on a global scale, then there are three credit bureaus: the TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax. These three are global credit bureaus, which is also called as the Big Three credit bureaus in the world. If you look on an India level, then CIBIL, Credit Information Bureau of India Limited, TransUnion CIBIL. Now, TransUnion has collaborated with CIBIL in India, and that score is called as TransUnion CIBIL. So, CIBIL score or TransUnion CIBIL score are essentially the same. So, once when somebody says CIBIL, it's the same as TransUnion CIBIL. Other than that, there's another India-based credit bureau which is called as CRIF Highmark. So these come under the India purview. But if you look at what are the credit scores that are followed in India, then there are four credit scores that are followed in India. One is the TransUnion CIBIL, which is the most commonly followed credit score, Experian, Equifax, and CRIF Highmark. So friends, what are the benefits of having a good credit score? The first is that you get lower interest rates on loans or credit cards. That is because banks or NBFCs view you as a responsible borrower and they know that you will pay off the loan in the desired time. Secondly, you have higher chances of getting credit and your loan approvals are faster. And thirdly, the documentation is lesser. So friends, always try to maintain a healthy credit score. Always try to keep your score above 750 in the excellent category. Or in the worst case, at least try to keep your score above 700. Always make your payments on time. Remember, your credit score may be your credit history, but whenever you need credit, it will also be your future. So friends, that's all for now in this video. In this video, I wanted to explain to you what is a credit score, what are the different credit bureaus, and how is this data collected. If you have liked this video, then I request you to kindly like this video, comment on this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon. Please stay connected. My next video will be to further understand the credit score on greater detail. We will take CIBIL into consideration as in India that is the most commonly used credit score. We'll try to understand CIBIL in greater detail on what are the factors that help in ensuring a healthy CIBIL score. So thank you friends. Stay safe, stay happy, take care.